Hey guys and girls, welcome from explorer.com, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a flash buttons, creating flash button in. So I'll just tell you with an example over here. So this is the flash buttons which you are going to see, which we are going to create. And if you just see this flash buttons, you can put this on your websites, right? Home, events, services, about us, contact, my blog, and all. You can just keep it on your websites. So creating a flash button is very easy. Let's let me discuss about this. And every button every button object in flash will have three events mainly. That is, one, the look and feel, which you are seeing now, that is home, events, and all. This is the look of the button. And second thing is, when you hover your button on that, what is the color it is going to change, or what is the action which the button should take. That is the second thing. So see here, it is going to change to blue color, right? So that is the second event which when I'm hover on that. So if I hover on events, it is going to change to yellow. Services, it is going to change to pink. This is the second event. And third thing is, when you click on that button, what the action it should take. That is, when I hover on the home button and click, when I click on that, it is going to change to another color or another action what it should take. That is the third thing you have to keep in mind. So totally, the button object which you create in flash has mainly three events, actually four events, but mainly three events. I will tell you about fourth event when I am explaining with an example. First first event is the look of the button. Second event is when you hover on that button, and third event is when you click on that, right? These are the three things which you have to keep in mind. And let's go with designing a flash button. So before designing flash button, I have to create one, right? So I will just create a take rectangle, and I will draw one thing. And I'll just select this button. I'll just select this object. So first, now my button is not created. Actually, now I have to create a button. So this is the object, right? On my stage, this is object. You have to take your selection tool and select that object, and now you have to press function F8. Previously I have discussed in convert to symbol, right? This one. So when you click on the convert to symbol, you will just get three types, that is movie clip, button, graphic. Now I'm discussing about button, right? So that's why I'm clicking on button. So just click OK, and now your button is ready. See, in your library panel you will be able to see the button which is there. Now you have to make the changes to this button. You have to double click this one. When you double click, it is going to take to another window. Here you can see here scene. This is the stage, actual stage, and this is the symbol, button symbol. So in button symbol, for this you will be in timeline, you will be having four elements, that is up, over, down, hit. So up is what, how your button should look, and over is what, when you hover your cursor on that, what action should you take. And down is what, when you click on that, what action it should perform. And hit is a special thing. I'll tell that. First, let us create this thing first. So I just don't want this red color. I'll just change it to some blue. Okay. Okay, I'll type some text here. Explore all. Okay, explore.com. Let us be like that. I'm not able to visible, right? So you just change this color to black, anything you like when you are developing. So just move this, right? Okay, first this is the look and feel, that is I have finished up with up. This is up. And next, go to overframe and right click here and click insert keyframe. Okay, when you insert keyframe, and now you go take your selection tool once again and click on that, okay, and just change this one. So you are on over, right? Just select that one and just click. suppose if I change the text to explorer.com, visit our website, I'm just changing it. So when I hover on that, it should be changing to visit website. Okay, next I will go with down. Next one, so right click and insert keyframe over here, and now you just select that button, and suppose you think that if I want to change this color, I will go here and I will change it to red. Okay, that's it. These are the three things which I occurred, and let me control enter. See, now the look and feel, that is up. When I click, that is the up element here, up frame, and when I hover my cursor over that, see, it is going to change as visit website. That is the second effect, which second element, that is over. And when I click this, see, it is going to change the color, right? That is the red, which we have changed, put it in down element, down frame. And finally, the last interesting frame is hit. What this hit is, of when you see here, okay, sorry, when I press Control Enter, and when you see, when I click on this, it is going to be visit website. Suppose if my cursor is here, somewhere down, but I want the event to be happen there as clickable event. I want that to be clickable event. Then I will go for hit. So insert keyframe and select your area. Select your area where your hover effect must be. Now Control Enter. See this. Okay, that is about it. This is how you are going to create a symbol now, and you just go for scene. Here you just delete this one, but in my library I will be having this symbol, so I can reuse this symbol for anything. When I drag the symbol over my button or my stage, it will be appearing. If you click Control Enter, see, you have an awesome button, right? This is how we create a button in Flash. Stay tuned with next video. Thank you.